Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful topic: how to view cache files on your Android device in 2025. If you're someone who loves tinkering with your phone's settings or just wants to free up some space, understanding cache files is a game changer. Cache files are temporary data stored by apps to make them run faster, but they can pile up and slow your device down over time. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to view them safely and easily. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Android device is updated to the latest software. 2025 brings some nifty improvements to file management. Open your Settings app, which you can find by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon. Scroll down and tap on Storage or Storage and Memory, depending on your device manufacturer like Samsung, Google, or OnePlus. Here, you'll see an overview of your phone's storage usage. Next, tap on Cached Data, or Internal Storage Details. This will show you how much space is being used by cached files. To view the actual files, you'll need to access the File Manager. Go back to your home screen and open the built-in Files app, or download a reliable one like Files by Google, if it's not already there. Navigate to the Android folder. Then go into Data, and look for folders named after the apps you're interested in. Inside those, you'll find the Cache subdirectory. Be careful here, don't delete files unless you're sure, as it could affect app performance. For a more advanced view, enable developer options by going to Settings, About Phone and tapping Build Number 7 times. Then, in developer options, you can use tools like USB debugging to explore cache files via a computer. Remember, in 2025, Android has better privacy controls, so you might need to grant permissions along the way. Once you're done viewing, you can clear cache directly from Settings, Storage, Cached Data for a quick cleanup. That's it, you've now mastered viewing cache files on Android. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.